Oh, with so much rain in the last few weeks, families impacted by that tornado in May never seem to have had the chance to recover. 5 on your side's Andy Crawl was back in the Ville neighborhood, hearing about how the damage has just gotten worse because of the rain. And Andy is live in our storm tracker right now. Andy.
Mike, we are on Labadie Avenue, not far from Cora Avenue, and just within the last 5 minutes, things have nicely cleared up, but it was raining pretty heavily as we're heading over here to the Ville neighborhood. We also were speaking with Labadie homeowners who live in some of these houses that have had the roofs ripped off from that May 16th tornado, and they were telling me just a couple hours ago they can barely catch their breath.
Sad, disgusting, wet.
That's how Gale Davis describes her home on Labadie Avenue that's been in her family since 1950. Her daughter, Tiana Smith, spent her Sunday bailing out at least 3 feet of water in her childhood home.
What I did was had to bucket it out the window. I call it bucketing. So I had to empty the water out because the tarps didn't hold.
5 on Your Side actually interviewed Davis back in 2021, reacting to cutting police positions. This is what her house looked like before. This is what it looks like now, covered in black mold like fungal wallpaper.
It's going through the seams of the house, so it's mildew. Now all of the clothes and the furniture, mildew, so we got to get everything out. But the things we didn't get out, it's damaged, it's warped. So the rain is worse. It makes you have PTSD.
Still no electricity and no running water after being marked with a red tag by the city saying it would be unsafe to live in. We were here 2 days after the May 16th tornado came through, but this weekend's storms have made a bad situation even worse.
I asked the Lord the other day, I say, Lord, do we need another drop? Can you please hold the rain back until we get our roof fixed?
The initial tarps put up by volunteers didn't hold the water back. Are the tarps not working, you basically are saying?
No, period, not.
Davis and her family have been staying at the Fairfield Inn downtown, provided by the Urban League, but said she wants to be back home, not on vacation.
You try to be really strong to get through this thing. I asked the Lord, Lord, give me strength and peace while I go through this storm. And they said it's help out here. Where? Where's my help?
Now, Davis says that the Urban League has paid for her extended stay until Tuesday, but she's hoping and even praying that that can be longer. Otherwise, she's going to be spending time on her brother's couch for the next foreseeable couple of weeks. We're going to give you one last look at the roads right now. Again, clear as of now, but just a couple minutes ago, it was raining very heavily here in the Ville neighborhood. So we'll keep you updated about those weather conditions and, of course, the impact that it's having on so many people here in North City. Reporting live in the Ville, Andy Crawl, 5 on Your Side.